Hey guys, Silver here. I'm here to give you a guide on how to install Genshin Impact on your Steam Deck. Okay, so let's begin. So first, we can click on PC download on the Genshin Impact website. As we click that, it should be downloaded. If it's not, you can just click on here and open this blocked pop-ups. You should be able to download the installer. So I already have it downloaded here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and head to Home, open my Steam. Okay. Okay, so once that's opened, we can go ahead and add a non-Steam game. Click on Browse, head to Download, and select the installer for Genshin Impact. Okay, add selected programs, head to your library, and find Genshin. Okay, there we go. Click on Properties, on Settings. Tick this box and click on Proton Experimental. So once that's done, go ahead and exit this and click on Play. Right, so that now that we have the installer launched, we can click on this I have read and agree to terms of service and click on advanced. So what we'll be doing here is that we have to locate this the install location for this specific software, which is Genshin Impact. You can go ahead and click on this folder icon and then head home. From here, you can open Steam, Steam apps, compat data, and you should sort this by modified date. You can see this, it was modified just now. You can open that one as well and open this another folder, PFX, drive C. Right, so from here you should make a new folder. You should name it whatever you want. This will be the folder that you will be using on saving Genshin Impact. So I already have one here, Genshin. Can drag it along that folder, but don't use move or copy here. Just link here. Okay, there we go. So back to this installer, we can change, then we can locate this file. Okay, see. Okay, click on Genshin, click on open. As you can see, there is no error. If you choose an invalid location, it will provide here that it's not enough space or it's an invalid file location. You can click on install now. Right, so just click on agree and install. Okay, click on close. Then we can run the program now. Right, as you can see, it is using the folder from our desktop, which is the Genshin folder. Right, inside that, Genshin Impact and Genshin Impact game. So if you notice that it's not using the same folder name that you have here, you can manually change it as well here. You can change that if you want. You can also see here the download size. You can make your space so you can prepare. So we can go ahead and download this one, get game. Right, so we'll see you right after this download is finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed after that.
Right, so now it's done downloading, and we can finally move on with launching it on Steam. So first, we're gonna go ahead and add a new Steam game. You can click here, just like before. You can just browse, but this time we can go ahead and go to desktop, go to the Genshin. You can open this again. From here, you can scroll down. You can see you can either choose this launcher or you can locate this folder, which is the Genshin Impact game. I like this one because you can just open this Genshin Impact.exe, and the difference is that Genshin Impact.exe, you can just open it and it won't have any launcher. But the only caveat is that if there's an update, you need to add the launcher in order to um, update it. So there's just pros and cons. So yeah, you can add this one. Right, so let me go ahead and check here. Let's go ahead and proceed with adding the compatibility layer, Proton. Right, so there we go. We can now start playing the game. But before we do that, let me go ahead and explain why it is important to create the folder here on home screen instead of just saving it. And so let's look at here. So when you add a Steam game here, when you add a non-Steam game, it will provide a new folder here on compat data, which is this one. It will provide that folder. But when you remove that installer file, it will also delete the folder here, meaning your save, I mean the file data of that game will also be removed. So you need to install it again. So by saving it here on desktop and linking it here, we are able to route the save file to a desktop. So now we can safely remove it and we can launch it on gaming mode. Okay, let me go ahead and X this one. Okay, there we go. We are now in Steam Big Picture mode, and we're gonna go ahead and launch Genshin Impact. So technically, we're just on a big picture mode, but not on gaming mode. So here we can do a bunch of stuff, but on gaming mode, I won't be able to record. So I'm just entering the big picture mode. Okay, there we go. Select this one. Head to properties. Okay, it says experimental. You can also change this. Right, there we go. You can also change your artwork if you want. If you have Steam Grid DB, you can change that too. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and launch it. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and select on Genshin Impact, controller settings, and control settings. I'm gonna go ahead and edit layout. So we're gonna go ahead and edit this one of the buttons here. Okay, I select L5, and I'm gonna go ahead and select Alt. So go and go ahead and log in here. Right, so there we go. Once we are able to log in, we just need to select some of these settings. So agree to all, then accept. So I mainly play on Asia, so let me go ahead and select that, and that's it. Right, there we go. Okay, so once we are in here, it will be a default on a keyboard control. So like before, like we have already set that we can click on Alt here with our button that we have already mapped on Steam controls, then use our mouse here. So There we go, as easy as that, and then we can switch to controller. Okay, all good. Okay, cancel, like this one. You can also change the settings here if you want. Usually like 60 FPS. Sync on, 1 here. Okay, ready to go. Ready to try. Okay, there we go guys. We have already set up out. So it's just getting a bit choppy here because of recording with OBS, but it's all properly working. You can launch it on gaming mode, and you can map your controls as well. So there we go. I hope you like it and like the video and subscribe. So you can also comment on next tutorial that you want.